Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5071546 on your Windows 10 computer. Now the first step is to run update troubleshooter. Now for this you can go to Windows settings, go to update and security, and then go to troubleshoot option. Click on additional troubleshooters. Here you can see Windows update, click on it, click on run the troubleshooter and let the troubleshoot complete. This will take some time, and once this is done, restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10 and then check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services over here. Now find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. So if restart option is highlighted, click on restart. Now find Windows Update, scroll down somewhere at the bottom, you will see Windows Update, make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click on Windows Update, click on restart. Once done, now you can check. If you see the retry option, you can hit retry and then you can check. Still not working, go to update and security, and then go to Windows Update, and here you can see pause option. So hit pause over here, and once paused, now click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working, run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy all these commands. All the commands are provided in the video description. Copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window. Once the second scan is 100% complete over here, copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Over here, write down the name of the update, that is KB5071546. KB5071546. And then click on search over here. Now over here, first of all, check your version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. So in my case, it's version 22H2. So you have to select the 22H2 version, and then you have to, in Windows Update, you have to go to system and then go to about option. Scroll down, here you can see about. Check the system type. So for me, its system type is 64-bit operating system, x64 based processor. So I have to find Windows 10 version 22H2, 22H2, yeah, Windows 10 version 22H2 x64. This is the right one for me. So if you have Windows 10 version 21H2 x64, then this is the right one. If you have Windows version 22H2, then this is the right one. So you have to download this as per your system. You have to get the right file over here, download it, and over here you will see KB5071546. click on it and then let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file and you can install this update manually. Just follow the on-screen instruction. Once that is done, restart your computer and then you can check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down, here you can see media creation tool. So click on download now and then you can run this exe file. When you run the exe file, you will see accept option. Click on accept. By default, upgrade this PC not be selected. Make sure this is selected and then click on next. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on accept over here. And here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer and then you can update your Windows 10. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully on your Windows 10 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.